guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't you know that summer is a critical period for your orchids care? Join me as I try to keep my orchids alive and thriving all summer long with these essential care tips. As we dive into the summer months, our orchids needs a little extra tender loving care to thrive. The changing seasons bring new challenges, and it is essential to adapt our care routines to meet the unique needs of our orchids during this time. Summer is a critical period for orchid care, and with a few simple adjustments, you can help your orchid stay happy and healthy. One of the biggest problems orchid owners face during the summer is increased heat. This can be especially problematic for orchids that are sensitive to high temperatures. To combat this, make sure to provide your orchid with a well ventilated area or consider using a fan to circulate the air. Humidity is another challenge that comes with the summer months. Many orchids thrive in humid environment, but it is essential to strike the right balance. You don't want your orchids to be too wet or too dry, which can lead to root rot or dehydration. Pests are also more prevalent during the summer, and they can quickly wreak havoc on your orchid. Keep an eye out for common pests like mealybugs, spider mites, and scale. These pesky critters can be a real nuisance, but there are many organic and chemical controls available to help manage infestations. By staying vigilant and taking proactive steps, you can help prevent pest problems and keep your orchid healthy. In addition to these challenges, summer also brings longer days and more intense sunlight. While orchid need light to photosynthesize, too many or too much direct sunlight can be detrimental. So consider using a sheer curtain or shade cloth to filter the light and prevent scorching. When it comes to summer care, one of the most critical factors is watering frequency. During the summer months, orchids tend to dry out faster, so you may need to water more frequently. However, it is essential to avoid overwatering, which can be deadly. Check the moisture levels of your potting mix regularly and adjust your watering schedule accordingly. Light exposure adjustment are also crucial during the summer. Consider moving your orchid to a brighter location, but be sure to monitor its response to the increased light. Another vital aspect of summer care is managing humidity effectively. You can increase the humidity around your orchid by placing the pot on a tray filled with water and pebbles. As the water evaporates, it creates a humid microclimate that your orchid will love. Just be sure to avoid getting the potting mix too wet. To take your orchid care to the next level, here is a crucial insight. Repotting your orchid in the summer can be a game changer. If your orchid is pot bound, it may not be able to absorb the nutrients it needs to thrive. Repotting your orchid in a well draining potting mix can help improve its overall health and increase its chances of blooming. To recap, the essential summer care tips for your orchid include watering carefully, adjusting light exposure, managing humidity effectively, and repotting as needed. By following these tips, you can help your orchid stay happy and healthy all summer long. If you have any summer care tips for questions, I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below. Don't forget to check out my other videos on orchid care for more tips and tricks to help your orchid thrive. Thanks for watching. Bye.